Hello friends, this is Bianca from simplyorganizing.co.uk, and today I come to talk to you about how to avoid waste while cooking. When I talk about waste, I talk about wasting time and wasting money and space in the fridge or in the cupboard, for example. So the first step is to prepare a menu plan, a meal plan or a menu, where you're going to write down everything that you're going to cook in a determined amount of time. So 1 week, 2 weeks. What are you going to cook for breakfast, lunch, dinner in 1 week or in 2 weeks or 3 weeks, the time that you want to. That's the first step. After you have this ready, then you prepare the list of ingredients for that meal plan. So then you go to the supermarket, buy only what is on that list. I know it's very tempting to buy other things, but just stick to that list, what you really need. And when you come back home, separate the food before putting in the freezer. Separate the food in accordance with the portions you will need them to be cooked. So for example, if you bought a tray with 8 chicken breasts, but you only cook 4 each time, separate these 4 either with foil or Ziploc bags. Separate them before putting them in the fridge, and that's a way of avoid wasting, because if you unfreeze the entire tray, you have to find a way of cooking that entire tray despite not wanting to cook the entire tray on that time. So that's a way. And then after that is revising your plan. Has your meal plan worked? No, what needs to be tweaked here and there to make it work? The same for the list of ingredients. Are you considering everything that you need, or you're leaving anything out of it? Have you forgotten anything? Is there anything that can be taken out of it? In that way, you will be buying what you need. You will have what you need in your house. You save space in the fridge. You'll be able to see what you have in your cupboard and in your fridge, because you're not piling up things that you don't actually need. So yeah, this is the tip for saving, avoid spending and wasting while cooking. Let me know any questions and thoughts. We can always book a call and go through in more detail for a specific case. Just let me know, okay? Have a good week and see you soon. Bye bye.